Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is geo-targeting. Ladies and gentlemen, geo-targeting means targeting customers according to their geographical location. Now, why organizations target their customers according to their geographical location? There is a very prime reason behind this, ladies and gentlemen. And the reason is, depending upon the geographical condition of a particular place, the choices of people living at that particular state, that varies. The choices vary according to your geographical location, because the environmental structure of a particular place that decides that what types of goods and services will be available in that particular state, what type of raw material will be available in that particular state, what will be the main occupation of the people of that particular state. And depending on the types of raw material that is available in a particular place, people decide their profession. And this is the reason that why in different parts of the world and even in different parts of this country, our country India, there are different people who are involved in different types of profession. Because the environmental conditions, they prefer a particular kind of profession in a particular kind of state in the country, ladies and gentlemen. And same is the case with entire world. Different countries, different continents in this world, they are having their own geographical structure, their own environmental structure, according to which there are different types of living pattern. Why it happens that people belonging to different parts of the country and different parts of the globe, they don't have similar culture? What is the reason that people living in different areas of the world, they do not have similar culture? Geographical conditions are responsible for this. The kind of geographical condition, the kind of environmental condition, the kind of ecosystem in which you live, that decides that what types of goods and services will be available to you. And depending upon those goods and services, it is decided that what type of business will be profitable in a particular place. And depending on that, people become part of that particular business or that particular profession. And this is the reason that why in different parts of the world and in different parts of the country also, there are specific professions which are dominant. You go to one part of this world, you will find a different type of profession. You go to some other part of this world, you will find some entirely different kind of profession. And same is the case here in India. In India also, if you visit different types of states, depending upon geographical conditions, these states are having their own specific goods, own specific conditions, and depending on these conditions, they have their own specific professional choices. So it is all impacted by geographical condition of a particular country, of a particular place. Geographical condition decides that what will be the major source of income of the people living at a particular place in this world, in this country. Everything depends upon geographical condition. So that's why, ladies and gentlemen, what organizations do, they follow the pattern of geo-targeting. Target the audience according to their geographical location. Try to analyze, do a market survey and try to find out that what are the major likings of the people belonging to a particular place. And depending upon that, promote that particular product at that particular place. Choose a place, try to find out that what people majorly like over there, and then promote similar types of products in that particular area, so that your product is genuinely accepted by the audience, by the consumers. So this is known as geo-targeting. Analyzing that what are the major likings of your customers who are situated in different parts of the country, in different parts of the world. Depending upon geographical conditions of that particular place, their choices will be different. And analyzing those choices, you have to distinctly promote only those products which they actually like. If in a particular part of a country, in a particular part of a world, you are promoting one particular kind of product, you cannot promote similar kind of product in other part of the country, in other part of the world. Depending upon their individual choices, you have to promote some other product in other parts of the country and in other parts of the world. So this is known as geo-targeting. And this is a very tedious task. It is not easy. Marketing experts, they are always busy in analyzing the mindset of consumers. Marketing experts, they are always busy in analyzing the mindset of consumers. By reading daily newspaper, by watching news on television, and by other methods of market survey. Different corporate sectors, they have their own specific methods of market survey. Surveying a market is not easy, ladies and gentlemen. Analyzing the thinking pattern and the choices of different types of people living in this country and this world, it is not easy. Market survey is a tedious task, and marketing experts, they consistently do it for the betterment of their organization. And this market survey decides that what are the real likings of people living in this country, living in different parts of the world, and depending upon that, organizations promote specific products in those particular locations. And that's why nowadays we see that there are a single organization is involved in large number of businesses. A single organization is involved in large number of businesses. In one part of the country and the world, they are promoting a particular product. In other part of the country or the other part of the world, they are promoting some entirely different kind of product. And this is a common scenario nowadays, ladies and gentlemen. You pick up any multinational company, you select any famous Indian company also, and you will find that that particular company is involved in manufacturing of large number of products which are absolutely different from each other. The company is producing mobile also, the company is in retail also, the company is in petroleum also. So all these products are entirely different from each other, but depending upon the requirements of people situated in different geographic locations, companies are promoting their specific products. And it is all because of geographic conditions and choices that all the products manufactured by the company are equally accepted by the consumers. This is the reason that why consumers are equally accepting different types of products produced by the same organization. Only geographical condition is responsible for this, ladies and gentlemen, and this is known as geo-targeting. Targeting your customers according to where they are situated. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.